Imagine if I told you that the fountain of youth isn't some mythical spring hidden in a distant land, but actually sitting right in your refrigerator. What if the secret to slowing down aging, reducing wrinkles, and feeling decades younger was as simple as changing what you put on your plate tonight? Stay with me, because the 10 foods I'm about to reveal have been scientifically proven to literally reverse the aging process at a cellular level. And number 7 is so powerful that researchers are calling it nature's Botox. Before we dive into these age-defying superfoods, I need to address something that might shock you. The way most people think about aging is completely backwards. We've been conditioned to believe that wrinkles, gray hair, and declining energy are inevitable parts of getting older. But cutting-edge research in cellular biology is showing us something revolutionary. Aging isn't just about time passing, it's about cellular damage, accumulating faster than your body can repair it. And here's the game changer. The foods you eat can either accelerate this damage or become your body's repair crew. Let me start with the first incredible food that's been hiding in plain sight. Blueberries aren't just delicious, they're like tiny time machines for your cells. These small purple powerhouses contain compounds called anthocyanins, which give them their deep color and act as cellular bodyguards. When you eat blueberries regularly, these compounds cross the blood-brain barrier and actually improve communication between brain cells. Studies show that people who eat blueberries 3 times a week have significantly better memory and cognitive function as they age. But here's what's really amazing. The antioxidants in blueberries don't just protect your brain, they actively repair damaged DNA in your cells, essentially rewinding your biological clock. The second food might surprise you because it's probably in your spice cabinet right now. Turmeric, that golden spice that makes curries so vibrant, contains a compound called curcumin that's like a master key for unlocking your body's anti-aging potential. Curcumin doesn't just reduce inflammation, it actually turns on genes that promote longevity and turns off genes that accelerate aging. People in India, where turmeric is consumed daily, have some of the lowest rates of age-related diseases in the world. The secret is that curcumin blocks the formation of advanced glycation end products, which are basically cellular rust that makes you look and feel older. Now let's talk about the third food that's creating waves in the anti-aging community. Dark chocolate, specifically the kind with at least 70% cacao, is loaded with flavonoids that improve blood flow to your skin and brain. When researchers studied people who ate dark chocolate regularly, they found their skin was more resistant to sun damage and showed fewer signs of aging. The flavonoids in dark chocolate also boost the production of nitric oxide, which keeps your blood vessels flexible and youthful. Think of it as edible skincare that works from the inside out. My question for you now is, do you like dark chocolate? Let me know in the comments down below. The fourth anti-aging superfood is one that Mediterranean cultures have treasured for thousands of years. Extra virgin olive oil isn't just good fat, it's liquid longevity. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil help maintain the flexibility of cell membranes, keeping your cells young and functional. But the real magic happens with the polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that protect against cellular damage. Studies of people following a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil show they have longer telomeres, which are like the protective caps on your chromosomes. Longer telomeres equal slower aging at the genetic level. Here's where things get really interesting with our fifth food. Green tea contains a compound called EGCG that's so powerful it can actually reactivate dying cells. When Japanese researchers studied tea drinkers, they found that people who drank green tea daily had significantly longer lifespans and looked younger than their peers. EGCG works by protecting the mitochondria, which are the powerhouses of your cells. When your mitochondria function better, you have more energy, clearer skin, and a sharper mind. It's like having a cellular energy drink that actually makes you younger. The sixth food is something your grandmother probably told you to eat, but for different reasons. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are packed with omega-3 fatty acids that act like cellular lubricant. These healthy fats keep your cell membranes flexible and reduce inflammation throughout your body. When your cells can communicate better and inflammation is low, everything works more efficiently. Your skin glows, your joints feel better, and your brain stays sharp. Studies show that people with higher omega-3 levels have slower rates of cellular aging and live longer, healthier lives. Now we come to number 7, the food I mentioned earlier that researchers are calling nature's Botox. Avocados are absolutely incredible for anti-aging, and here's why. They contain a unique combination of healthy fats, vitamin E, and glutathione that work together to protect and repair your skin from the inside. Glutathione is your body's master antioxidant, and avocados are one of the best food sources. When you eat avocados regularly, Your skin produces more collagen, stays more hydrated, and shows fewer signs of aging. The healthy fats also help your body absorb other anti-aging nutrients more effectively. The eighth food might make you rethink your relationship with nuts. Walnuts are shaped like tiny brains, and amazingly, they're incredible for brain health and longevity. They contain alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 that supports brain function and reduces inflammation. But here's the fascinating part. Walnuts also contain compounds that help regulate your body's biological clock. People who eat walnuts regularly have better sleep patterns, more stable energy levels, and show slower signs of cognitive aging. Sweet potatoes, our ninth anti-aging superstar, are loaded with beta-carotene that your body converts to vitamin A. This nutrient is essential for cellular repair and renewal. When you eat sweet potatoes, you're giving your body the raw materials it needs to constantly rebuild and refresh your cells. The natural sugars in sweet potatoes also provide steady energy without the aging effects of blood sugar spikes. Traditional cultures that eat sweet potatoes as a staple food often have remarkable longevity and age-related health. The 10th and final food is one that's been celebrated for its health benefits for centuries. Pomegranates contain compounds called punicolagens that are incredibly powerful antioxidants. These compounds not only protect your cells from damage, but actually help regenerate new, healthy cells. Pomegranate juice has been shown to improve skin texture, reduce wrinkles, and even help reverse some signs of aging. The seeds contain fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria, and a healthy gut is crucial for overall longevity. But here's what's truly exciting about these 10 foods. When you combine them in your diet, they work synergistically, meaning their anti-aging effects multiply. You're not just adding years to your life, you're adding life to your years. The key is consistency and variety. You don't need to eat all 10 every day, but incorporating several of them into your regular meals will create a powerful anti-aging effect. Think about this for a moment. Every meal is an opportunity to either age faster or age slower. Every bite is either contributing to cellular damage or cellular repair. The choice is literally in your hands, or should I say, on your fork. These foods aren't expensive supplements or complicated treatments. They're accessible, delicious options that can transform how you age. I want you to imagine yourself 10 years from now. Do you want to be the person who looks and feels their age, or do you want to be the one who has people guessing you're a decade younger? The people who age gracefully aren't just genetically lucky, they're making smart choices about what they eat every single day. Start with just one or two of these foods and gradually add more to your diet. Your future self will thank you for every blueberry you eat, every cup of green tea you drink, and every piece of dark chocolate you savor. The fountain of youth isn't a myth. It's a lifestyle choice that begins with your very next meal. Which of these 10 anti-aging foods will you try first? Tell me in the comments down below. Your journey to aging slower and feeling younger starts now. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you in the next video.